Hey, Brian from Garage Mahal. Behind the scenes here, so this is kind of like a take a look at my rig, and what I wanted to point out is basically this like filtered air puffer. So what I do to keep all my equipment nice and clean is like once or twice a day I just kind of go through and then I blow the dust off the screen, and then especially on my camera lenses I like to keep them as clean and dust-free as possible. I mean, this is just a great way just to keep your equipment going and really quick, so you can keep your lenses dust-free, your computer dust-free, with a quick couple squirts of air. Anyway, Brian from Garage Mahal, thanks for watching, and be safe out there.